It is understood that Jolyan Silvera is also under investigation for corruption and tampering in connection with what the police suspect to be an attempted elaborate cover-up of his wife's murder. The police are reportedly probing the circumstances in which it appears the barrel of Silvera's licensed firearm was altered in the aftermath of Melissa's murder. Silvera, who is chairman of the PNP's Founders Group, is under investigation in connection with the suspected tampering of the weapon. The police made a breakthrough in the case when unique markings on a bullet that was found inside Melissa corresponded to records stored at the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA, which outlined particulars of the weapon that was assigned to Silvera. Silvera could face additional criminal charges. It is also believed that the police are moving to interview at least two prominent members of the PNP who are former members of parliament who visited the bloody crime scene after Melissa was killed. PNP Vice President and Member of Parliament for North West Manchester Michael Phillips has already given a statement to detectives from the Major Investigation Division MID. On November 11 last year, PNP President Mark Golding disclosed Mrs. Silvera's demise to the country via his social media pages, including Facebook. Golding wrote that Mrs. Silvera had passed away and expressed what he described as sincere condolences to Jolyan Silvera. On December 16, Golding amended the Facebook post to remove the name of Jolyan Silvera and instead offered condolences to the Silvera family. By then, the police had upgraded the case involving Melissa's death to a murder probe after a post-mortem revealed that she did not die of natural causes, but her life was cut short by 3 gunshots. The police say Melissa was shot dead while she slept in her bed in her matrimonial home.